Hey everyone, so today I'll be making Nutella mousse. It is super easy to make, really delicious, and you need really little ingredients, which is always good. So first thing I did was place the heavy cream into a bowl. I'm going to mix that on high speed for a couple of minutes with my handheld mixer. I'm going to pour in the vanilla extract, mix that together, and as always, the exact measurements will be down at the description box below. I placed the Nutella into the microwave for about 15 seconds just to loosen it up, and then I stirred it for about a minute so it cools before I put it into the heavy cream. I'm going to fold it in just like that. That looks really good. I'm not kidding when I say that this is one of the easiest desserts I've ever made. Okay, now I'm going to take the Oreo cookies and place them into my food processor. Then I'm going to place them in a bowl. I'm going to add some unsalted butter that I've melted, and I'm going to give that a little stir. Okay, now we're going to place it into if you don't have a cheesecake pan like I do, you can always use ramekins or you can always use mousse glasses, which is fine. In the end, it's going to taste exactly the same whether you serve it in a cheesecake pan or in a glass or a ramekin. It doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to place it in just like that. And we're going to refrigerate this for about 4 hours. And make sure your top looks pretty. Mine didn't look so neat, but that's exactly how it's going to look. So make sure to even out the top as smooth as possible. Okay, 4 hours later, I'm going to take it out of the fridge and I'm going to slide it up and it's ready to serve. Here I have some fresh strawberries and bananas to top off the mousse, and some Nutella that I placed in the microwave for 15 seconds, and I'm going to drizzle it on top. So just like that, I put a little piece of banana, strawberry, and I'm going to drizzle it with some Nutella. I think it looks really good, and I think it tasted even better. I hope you guys love this recipe, and thank you so much for watching.